their haze. I'm the last of the kitties, born from the blaze. Feline fallout, the world turned to ash. Only the strong survive, we're born from the crash. Claws in the wreckage, eyes full of rage. Feline fallout, I rise from the cage. The sun is a memory, skies are a tomb. No food, no water, but I still bloom. Radiation flows through my fur and my veins. In the silence I walk through the acid rains. The survivors are few, but I stand alone. A king in the ruins, reclaiming my throne. A hunter, a fighter, the world's my domain. In this fallout wasteland I'll reign again. Feline fallout, the world turned to ash. Only the strong survive, we're born from the crash. Claws in the wreckage, eyes full of rage. Feline fallout, I rise from the cage. No more cities, no more kings. Only the feral, the end it brings. But I'll keep fighting, claw through the night. In this apocalypse, I am the light. Feline fallout, I'll never bow. The world has fallen, but I stand proud. With paws of steel and fur of flame. In the end of days, the kitties still reign. In the echoes of the fallout, I hear the cry. A kingdom of dust beneath the poison sky. With every step, the earth it quakes. A primal instinct, the world it breaks.